Nitu Parmi. Today I'm going to demo how you can download database image from the Docker store to Oracle Container Cloud Service under a minute. Let's head to the store and grab Oracle database image. On the Docker store, after you log in, try to look for Oracle database. Top of the search result, click on it. Get to setup instructions. From here, capture image name. Let's head to the Oracle Container Cloud Service. If you are familiar with Oracle Cloud Dashboard as a customer, or you're trying our trial service, you are familiar with this dashboard, get to your Container Cloud Service. Click on Container Console. Give your container credentials here. On the container dashboard, you only have to do 2 steps. The first one is registries. This one already exists. Click on the edit just to give your Docker store username and password. Validate and then save it. The next step is going to the services tab. If you are coming here for the first time, you would want to click on the new service. I already have a service created, so I'm going to show you what you would see when you first click on the new service. This is the screen you would see. The service name, you can give anything that is descriptive enough for you. Next, scheduler and availability, pick the top one on the drop down. Image name, this is what we got from the Docker store. Copy that one. And on the environment variables, I'm going to leave most of them default today for the demo, but if you prefer, you can create a database SID, domain name, and password, so something that you can remember versus the defaults. Next, the port numbers. The one that you need is 1521. You would want to click here, add 1521 for the host port as well as a container port. Protocol, you pick the TCP here and save it. When you save it, it's going to look like this. Once you have this new service entry created, just click the deploy. Under 1 minute, you will have your database deployed onto Oracle Container Cloud Service. You see the status go from stopped to running. That's all it takes for you to deploy database in a container. Let's go to the deployments. We have 2 of them running here. The one we just deployed a minute back. This concludes the demo of downloading the image from the store to Container Cloud Service. Now that we downloaded database image from the store to Oracle Container Cloud Service successfully, I'm going to show one use case of how we can use the database installed. Let's go to the SQL Developer running on your laptop, connect to the database running on OCCS. Connection name that I'm using, any connection name. I'm trying to use the sys. Password, default password I'm using, aura doc_db1. And then role, I needed to use sysdba. Host name, I can show you where we can get this IP address. This is the IP address of your database running on a container. And the port name to connect is 1521. SID can be nothing. And service name, Oracle PDB1.local domain. And save the configuration. Test it. It is success. That means you are able to connect your SQL Developer running on your laptop to the database running on the Container Cloud Service. This concludes the demo. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thank you.